Njogu wa Njoroge niacakaite na Gûtûngwo na Kîeha. Oho DJ Qariz wa Kameme niarikitie kumbura a sad incident and accident that happened to him. Ndeto yatiga nginya mafans na a Kenya onao makionania kurakario kwao ni giko giki and also how it was handled. DJ Qariz agitariria how the entire incident happened na ona nginya rakorirwo akirumwo muno, yet ni urakorirwo akiguthirwo ngari na ona akiumbura ati ndereba ucio ramuguthiire ngari it appears he was under the influence of alcohol. Undu nginya arakorirwo akiruma afitha wa borithi uria urokire guteithura DJ Qariz na ona nginya Qariz akiuga ati the driver even drove off, he ran away, it was a kind of a hit and run. Na ona nginya akira Qariz ati athia riboti no ngari iyo ndegukimiriha, but DJ Qariz managed to report the matter to Kasarani police station. But it was a very traumatic incident. Kuguthirwo ngari na thutha ucio gucoka kurumwo muno na nginya ndereba uyu akinyitanira na team nene muno ya ma conductors aria mari yumirire na gukorwo makiruma na Qariz DJ Qariz maikimwira uria matekumuriha. This being what he narrated and shared. Aikiuga today date 20th Feb 2024 at around 8 p.m. there is this matatu KCD 372D belonging to Zuri Sacco being driven by a careless and reckless driver along Committee Road, of which I understand the driver had been given a squared and I believe he was under the influence of alcohol. Hit my car. Upon getting out to confront him on why he is driving carelessly, a number of touts came out of the Zuri Sacco together with the driver with harsh insults on me. Fanya vile unataka, usitulete mdomo na hakuna kitu utafanya, peleka nonsense na huko. Luckily, a police officer who was controlling the traffic arrived at the scene of accident, asked the driver why he was overlapping, even hitting other vehicles. He rudely shouted at the officer together with his team touts and then report hatutalipa. The officer was calm and requested him to keep the matatu on the roadside so as she can write down the details for the vehicle. Unfortunately, the driver drove away and fled from the scene of accident. I have reported the matter at Kasarani police station. Na thutha ucio a Kenya ona nginya aini nimeyumiritie na njira nene muno wa mbere kumiriria DJ Qariz for this incident. Oho maikira ni kumenya he was not injured tondu guti andu akigweta kuria arakorirwo agitihio, asha only the car was damaged. Na oho maikiuga this was wrong na magikumithia giko giki na onao makinyitanira na DJ Qariz to tag the responsible authorities nigetha makioe ikinya riria ribatie na gukorwo makiribota ndereba ucio ona nginya agikorwo akionekana nigetha na ari DJ Qariz aikorwo compensate for the damage. But it is a sad incident that happened to him, but we are glad he is safe and well. Na riu nake Njogu wa Njoroge niarikitie gucakaya. He has taken to his Facebook page na gukorwo agicakaya na andu a Njoro ona nginya a Naikuru kuria maruzite a very popular person from there. Mundu Njogu wa Njoroge akiugite ati amui kuma eka mwana kanini na ona nginya residents angi nimeyumiria ona maikiuga they knew this person na gukorwo makimenya ati he is no more nĩũndũ wa matiga mena Kîeha. Njogu shared this akiuga Kamau was the face of Njoro poster. I knew him when I was a boy, a jovial person. Rest in peace Kamau. Condolences to the family kana kuri the loved ones na ona kuri Njogu wa Njoroge na aria maikorwo makimucaka. Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.